Although recalls are a common occurrence in the camera industry, Nikon's recent recall of the Nikon Z8 has disappointed camera enthusiasts. It's been less than a month since the recall was announced, and the reason is every user's worst nightmare. What was happening then, and how do you are considered for the free Nikon program for the Nikon Z8? Well, Nikon recently released a press note on its website, saying that Nikon has received reports from Z8 camera users. In rare cases, the lens cannot be securely attached to the camera due to the inability to rotate it into the locked position. This situation occurred when certain users tried to mount a 50mm 1.8 lens onto their Z8 camera body. After conducting an investigation, Nikon had determined that this issue may affect the specific range of Z8 camera serial numbers. To resolve this problem, they'll offer free repairs of the affected Z8 cameras, covering the shipping cost to and from Nikon, even if the warranty has expired. After digging deep, we found that the issue lies with the mounting circle depths used to attach the lens to the camera during photography. However, the mount is not as secure as it should be, causing the lens to be inserted but not tightly enough to rotate and attach properly. This may result in the lens not locking down as it should, and Nikon has not provided any explanation for the exact reason behind this mounting problem. However, it's important to note that this issue may not necessarily occur right out of the box. So, it's not worth risking encountering it at an inconvenient time. While the potential impact on resale value remains speculative, previous Nikons have affected Nikon's resale values. Some knowledgeable buyers may even check the serial number before making a purchase, buying a process of elimination. It appears that the issue affects the first 10,000 serial numbers in the United States. Now, to determine if your Z8 camera is affected by the lens mounting issue, you can check the affected product serial numbers on Nikon's website and introduced camera serial number as instructed. If your camera is among the affected ones, you'll receive an on-screen instruction for requesting service, and if your camera is not affected, you can continue using it without any concerns regarding this particular issue. To find your camera serial numbers, simply open the rear monitor of the camera and locate a 7-digit number on a label attached to the camera body, which is indicated by the red frame in the image here. It's not the first time Nikon cameras had this type of recall. Earlier, the same issue led to the recall of Z9s after the release, which raises concerns about Nikon's quality control and parts procurement. To be honest, considering how long it took for some people to get the repairs last time, it'll probably be quicker hopefully. It's unreasonable for anyone to have wait for repairs on a faulty item during the exchange period. Perhaps everyone will be placed in a repair queue lasting 15 to 30 days. It's actually unfortunate that a $4,000 camera would face such an issue, but don't be disheartened if you're one of the affected ones. The current number of product recalls is not greater than it was in the past. The period between 2004 and 2017 witnessed the highest yearly occurrence of product recalls in the United States. Even without considering the peak, the variation in recalls between 2004 and 2022 has only fluctuated by a percentage point of 2. And in terms of cameras, during the DSLR and mirrorless era, Canon has experienced 4 recalls for interchangeable lens cameras, including 1 mirrorless, while Sony has had none. On the other hand, Nikon has encountered 8 recalls, including 4 mirrorless cameras along with 2 battery recalls. We just hope Nikon fixes this issue as soon as possible and tries to improve QC for its upcoming products. What are your thoughts on the upcoming recall of Nikon Z8? Please share your thoughts in the section below, and consider subscribing for more news like this from the camera industry. Thank you for watching.